Fargana is particularly pleasant in the evening. It is said that after a hot day, the life in the park becomes very beautiful, very pleasant, and nearly all the people of the city do come here. It is said that when the intense daytime heat begins to disappear, the city's broad tree lined streets, parks, and many walkways of this sort becomes very pleasant and attractive for the common people. The city is known for its greenery, orderly avenues, and spacious public areas. You can start your evening at Fergana Central Park, also associated with Al Fergani Central Park. It is basically the huge area where you can observe people enjoy a lot, and it is considered to be the central hub where you can spare your evenings. It is one of the city's principal recreational spaces with fountains, monuments, walking paths, and amusement facilities. At sunset, the character of the park changes noticeably. The trees become silhouette against the fading sky, while the pathways and decorative lamps gradually become more prominent. The mature greenery provides a beautiful setting for a slow and peaceful walk. This is a wonderful place to observe the social life as well. The most enjoyable approach is simply to wander without rushing. Sit on a bench for a while and watch local families, children, and young people enjoying their free time. In the warmer months, evenings actively become especially noticeable after the day heat has reduced. Look how wonderful it seems all around. Very peaceful, very calm, and it is a place where you can discover not only the nature, the beauty, but also how the local people enjoy their daily life. One of the most attractive part in the Central Park is this fountain. It's a very romantic place and is considered to be the best place for photography. You can enjoy each and every activity surrounding this fountain, especially the young people consider it as a best place, and in this area you can settle down at some restaurant. You may have coffee, a green tea, or even if you like you can enjoy a dinner or lunch, and the prices are affordable. One of the most charming event is it's a combination of different ways. The sunset combination of trees, pathways, and decorative lighting gives you a magical view everywhere. The lights create a pleasant atmosphere as darkness gradually settles over the city. Look particularly at the way the lights disappear among the trees, rather than feeling like a commercial entertainment district. The parks retain the character of traditional public gathering. That is the best place where people come to talk, walk, and relax. If the rides are operating during your visit, the Ferris wheel adds another attractive feature to the evening scene. Along with such wonderful walkways, you can observe a wonderful gathering of the local people. They enjoy the social gathering, and generally they prefer to come here during the evening time because they consider it as a very relaxing and very comfortable period of the time. The amusement area is also excellent for people watching, children enjoying the rides while parents and grandparents sit nearby. The markets you can enjoy and purchase the gifts, the items which are rare outside the park, but do bargain because generally the items are expensive inside the park. But if you make the bargaining, you can purchase the items at reasonable cost. This is the best place for meeting to your friends and having a nice company with them because that is the place where you not only sit with their enjoyment to enjoy, but also you have a lot of luxury to avail, especially in terms of eating huge variety of dishes. It is also a form of a street food as well. Now, while moving to these monumental structures, always remember that these are basically the artworks that also reflect the history and the achievement of big society in the past. This is the best place for taking the photography and also to stay here and relax for a while before moving to the other part of the city. Such monuments are the hallmark of big society, and wherever you go, you wonderfully discover the beautiful places like the flower beds, fresh water sprinkling plants, and many huge variety of trees which are planted not only in the parks but also at every place in the city. They are very fond of decorating the things, and that is why it is preferred that you should also have a nice time and stay surrounding these types of wonderful spots. It seems that people are not here, but actually, due to low density of the population, generally you observe that it is a very relaxing time because no one is surrounding you and you really discover the nature in depth. After exploring the park, continue towards the central part of Fergana, where you will discover wonderful streets and walkways. Especially these are the spots which are very attractive during the evening and night time. The central city is particularly interesting in the evening because you can observe everyday urban life rather than simply visiting individual monuments. These types of walkways surrounding the park and spread throughout the central city are very attractive and worth exploring. The broad public spaces, fountains, monuments, and surrounding buildings become especially attractive when illuminated. At dusk, notice the contrast between the formal architecture of the central area and the informal social life taking place around it. Families walking together, children playing, people sitting and talking, and pedestrian moving between shops and cafes. And you find a lot of such types of benches and the rest areas. People are very fond of music, not only the traditional one but also the pop, and every sort of instrument is played. Live performers do come here and they perform. If you ask them a particular song or the music, they also perform that one, and it is very interesting. Some monuments are dreamlike. Now look at this monumental structure. It is a huge complex, and we asked this lady what is basically that place.
Извините, что это? Ну, что?
Музей именно, мама.
А, культуры. Спасибо.
After confirming, she informed that this is basically the central cultural complex where you discover the life, art, and a routine a pattern of the Fergana Valley people's life. It is very interesting, but unfortunately, it was closed due to maintenance. It is said that Fergana's broad green avenues are among its most distinctive features. Long rows of mature trees create a natural corridor along many of the city's streets. In the evening, these avenues become particularly attractive. Street lights shine through the benches, through the corridors, paths, and everything seems very magical and colorful. One of the most enjoyable evening walk is along the tree-lined pedestrian areas, often associated with Fergana's famous plane tree avenues. Walk slowly beneath the enormous canopy of mature trees. Benches, lamps, fountains, and cafes create a places where a residents can stop and relax. This is also an excellent location for observing ordinary Fergana life. Families stroll together, young people meet friends, children play, and older residents sit and talk. This is one of the most exciting and relaxing period of the life. Another worthwhile area is around the Central Park, where you discover wonderful monuments, gates, and huge structures that reflect the beauty, art, and history of Uzbekistan. This is a worth seeing place where you observe how aesthetic the Uzbek society is. Fergana's evening life is generally relaxed rather than dominated by a busy nightlife scene. The center and areas surrounding the park offer cafes and restaurants where residents gather and enjoy wonderful food, and also they have the opportunity to understand each other and discuss important matters of daily life. An evening walk can maturely turn you into a very realistic and a nature loving person. You can look at traditional Uzbek dishes such as plow, shashlik, fresh salads, and bread and tea. These are very common and affordable to enjoy huge variety, especially in the streets surrounding the central part of the city. The social atmosphere is often more interesting than the food itself. Families sitting together, friends meeting after work, and people extending their conversation over tea. It is a very common culture and very interesting. Perhaps the most interesting part of an evening in Fergana is watching the people rather than constantly searching for attractions. You can observe families taking evening walks, children enjoying the parks, young people meeting friends, older residents sitting on benches, couples strolling along the avenues, and people gathering in cafes. That is why it is highly recommended that you should talk to the local people in order to find the first-hand information about any monument, any spot in the city. They provide you the tips how to save the money and what is important and what is not important. So that is why it is a very important advice to extract the information directly from the people. The real beauty of Fergana after sunset is not concentrated in one spectacular monument. It lies in the combination of green avenues, mature trees, illuminated pathways, fountains, parks, families, cafes, and relaxed evening rhythm. You observe all these things at every spot in the city. The best idea is to explore the city by walking during the evening time. Not only discuss and find the information from the local people, but also try to explore those areas which are generally not recommended or discussed in public. It is said that the evening walk on the walkway in Fergana is considered to be a part of your life, that is the part you have spent in the paradise. People are very helpful, very friendly and liberal in order to provide you the information and also to have a company with you. The walkways along the avenues create a very magical atmosphere. This is a very important part of your visit because you not only discover the local traditions, values, and the way of living of the people, but also you explore the places where you can find the cheapest food, where you can find the huge variety of the food. So these types of food streets or food centers are very famous among the local people. It is said that they prepare every cuisine or the dish you like, but giving a local and traditional touch. So it becomes even more tastier than you think. It is highly recommended, yeah, that explore this area, and it is the most important part of observing the things and the cuisines, having a nice company with the local people, enjoy their way of feasting each other, and this is considered to be the best part of the life. Now, friends, come to Russian lesson 66. We are discussing basically irregular verbs. So, today we are going to discuss two most important verbs and most frequently used verbs. First one is hotit. While making the conjugation, you can make the short sentences by yourself. Now, how do we make the conjugation of hotit? 1. Я хочу. 2. Ты хочешь. 3. Она хочет. 4. Мы хотим. 5. Вы хотите. 6. Они хотят. Now, while using any part of the conjugation, you can make the sentences, pick the verb from the previous lessons. You can add any verb, or you can add any noun in order to make the short sentences. So, this is the most frequently used sentence. That is why it is very important to make its practice, because wherever you go, during your visit in the Russian speaking countries or the regions, you need to describe your desire. So, that is very important. Next comes much. We make the conjugation like 1. Я могу. 2. Ты можешь. 3. Она может. 4. Мы можем. 5. Вы можете. 6. Они могут. So, again, it is a very important, because you describe your potential, your ability to do something. So, it is also very important, because you need to use this verb many times in practical way during the routine life. So, what is the best strategy is to pick the verbs or the nouns from the previous lessons and make the short sentences while using any part of this conjugation. This is the most effective and very simple way to learn the Russian language easily. Be confident and be optimistic about the learning, because once you start its beginning, it will become very simple for you. So keep learning and keep enjoying.